little 1-burner propane stove. Inside this bucket we have some water, and we have a pump that we've adapted to a garden hose. That pump is now going up to our 3/4 inch copper pipe. The water's going to go inside the pipe. It's going to circulate through the pipe, and it's going to come back out of the pipe and drop back down into this basket of water that you see here in front of you. Smooth that off. Can you look at that up close, what I'm doing? That's bread dough. Actually, excuse me. It's flowing from here, through the jacket, and then back down to where it's coming from. Really simple. There's mead inside of there that's being heated up. As it vaporizes, it's going to go through the tube, and the cooling water that's circulating around it is going to vaporize it. It's going to come out in a jar at the end.